whistle. You know Nitty love you down to your bone bristle. Even when I spaz out, even when we going through our changes. Can't use Pro Tools to fix up our arrangements. No engineer, I wish he was here. He could mix, master, and copy us down for the year. But that's not it. And on some real shit, I can see you hold me down, even when the trip's on.
For everything we've been through, and all the silly things that I do, I got a lot of love for you. I got a whole lot of love for you. Well, hello, 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 me, girl. Even when I act a fool, I got a whole lot of love for you.
So come sit here, sip champ. You chillin' with real champs. We get notebook money, the just collecting stamps. So that's why I'm gone. Cannot call you. You so fine when they at the mall, they maul you. And I get it, you bring all the love home to daddy. So when I'm floating, you miss her badly. So mad at me, but you gotta chill, cause them other lames sweet, they build you a sugar hill. And that's not the real deal. Holyfield is it, and Nitty is the real deal. Feel good visit, and you stick with it. So let me work my magic. Without you, it up would be tragic. Damn, you the baddest. Baby, bring home the checks, you a master. X-rated, and guess who's next up? Nitty want the best of your love, and I'm really happy you showed up, girl.